Welcome back to Jemmy Tech. In today's video we're going to resolve this issue. It happens when for example when you open your old project, when you update your Xcode or something like that. So before in other video I will provide a link. We just discussed the same issue that we need to update our dependencies, but unfortunately we did that one as well, but was not happen anything, right? We were still getting the same issue. So now you can see that my application has been run and it's working perfectly, but it's been a long time that I'm looking for to where's the solution is. So the solution is simple. Just go to the dependencies, package dependencies, click on Google user messaging platform. We need to update this one. Just update package and boom, it will work. And it is discussed here. Right click on this and this. You need to update both of them. You need to update both of them, right? If you are still fast the issue, then you can update both of them. Look, I think I have where's the ChatGPT? We can go back here. The whole, we just come on where we are. It's been long. Right here it is. It will tell us how was the error being occurred to us. And come on, I think we need to go. Hey, what the hell is it? Come on. Gosh. ChatGPT. Come on. You can see your response here. Load the history. What was the error message? Yeah, this is. Oh gosh, it is not the one. Hey God. Allah, where is my recent questions? By the way, this is what happened here. No, I recently asked the question. I don't know what happened here. By the way, I have just discovered the solution. You simply click on the Google user messaging platform, and if you still fast, then you can click on Google mobile aids. You need to update both of them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.